Hey bakers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Heather from bostongirlbakes.com, and today I am showing you how to make these super wonderful, easy, moist, tender pumpkin cupcakes. I think I got all the adjectives in there. I frost them with my 4-ingredient cream cheese icing, which is so wonderful just on its own. I could eat it with a spoon. These pumpkin cupcakes come together really quick. They're made with oil, which means they're going to be super moist, but then also super quick to throw together. You don't even need your mixer for these. So let's get started. I don't want to waste another minute. Let's make these pumpkin cupcakes. To start, you're going to combine your dry ingredients: flour, pumpkin pie spice, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. You're just going to give that a whisk to combine, and then you'll just simply set that aside. In a second mixing bowl, combine your sugar, brown sugar, and 2 large eggs. You're going to whisk those together until they're evenly combined. You want to make sure that your eggs are at room temperature so your cupcakes bake up nice, light, and fluffy. And then to that, you're going to add in 1/2 cup of oil, 3/4 cup of milk, and 15 ounces of pumpkin puree. Make sure that you're using 100% pure canned pumpkin and not a can of pumpkin pie filling, which would have extra added ingredients into it. Then add in a little bit of vanilla extract and then simply whisk that all together until it's evenly combined. Once that's been mixed together, go ahead and stir in your dry ingredients. You're going to make sure to not overmix though at this point, otherwise you'll end up with really kind of tough, chewy cupcakes. So I just simply stir the flour mixture in until the last of the flour has been combined, and then I stop stirring. A few lumps are okay, they'll bake out in the end. But if you keep stirring it, you're just going to end up with a really kind of tough, chewy cupcake, which is not what we want. And once that's all stirred together, you can go ahead and scoop them into your pan. Now I'm using a medium scoop, which portions out the cupcake batter perfectly, but you could obviously use 2 spoons to do this. You want to make sure that you're filling up your cupcake liners about 3/4 of the way full. Otherwise, if you overfill them, they will result in cupcakes that may sink in the middle when they're done. And then go ahead and bake. And when they come out, I like to just test the top of the cupcake, make sure they spring back when touched. And I test the inside of a center cupcake to look for either no crumbs to a few moist crumbs, but no raw wet batter. And then once they are cool, I frost them with my cream cheese frosting, which I will include in the recipe. So there you go. That's how easy it is to make these wonderful fall pumpkin cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. If you love this recipe, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another baking tutorial. And until next time, happy baking.